How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a deeper voice naturally in 3 minutes, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I'm going to show you a couple of different exercises you can do for a deeper voice. Now, the breathing for a deeper voice, what you want to do is you actually want to make sure that your chest doesn't raise. A lot of times, if you just take a normal deep breath, you notice how your chest raises. What you can do is you can actually push air through your stomach instead. And this actually does help to lower the pitch of your voice, getting a deeper voice. So I'm going to show you what I mean by this. So you're going to put your hand on your stomach. Now, when you're breathing, you want to make sure your chest does not do this. You want it to stay here. And what you want to do is really push your stomach out, like really, really emphasize this, and just watch my hand and watch how it moves with my stomach. See that? That is what you want to do. You want to practice this. You guys want to do a workout. This works extremely well for developing a deeper voice. You want to do this. Now, I don't recommend doing it for a high amount of repetitions when you begin. Start off doing, say, 5 to 10 reps. See how you feel, and then you can continue doing it if you want to. But again, try to work your way up to 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute workouts, and really focus on pushing air out through your stomach. You're gonna notice as you keep doing this, your voice is naturally going to get lower, and it works tremendously. The next thing that has always worked for me, you guys, is trying to talk slower. By far the best tip I can give you. Talking slower, what it does is it just naturally slows down, obviously, your talking, but it lowers the pitch of your voice. So I'm just going to say the title of the video, again, how to get a deeper voice. I'm going to say it really slowly, and then I'm going to say it really, really fast, and then just watch the pitch of my voice. How to get a deeper voice naturally in 3 minutes tutorial. Now watch. How to get a deeper voice naturally in 3 minutes tutorial. 100%. I can tell the difference just by saying that. Literally night and day difference just by talking a little bit slower. You can try it yourself too. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.